a new job at a modern house in the Lawrenceville area. Check it out with all this sunlight coming in. It's a beautiful home, super modern. And we're up here on the 3rd floor, the master suite. And behind this wall right here is a big master bathroom. And it's kind of blocking off this whole flow of the sunlight. So the homeowner who actually just bought this house brought us in to open up this window and make it a lot bigger to bring all that more sunlight into their bathroom. And we'll show you the bathroom now. So it's pretty dark in here, as you can tell. It's a nice bathroom and a lot of potential, but they want to bring some of that natural sunlight in. So their plan is to open up this, drop it down, and make this whole mirror a big window looking out over into that open space that we were just at. And as far as a mirror, they're gonna put like just a small one on the window or something like that. They'll figure it out. But yeah, that's the plan for now. So the first thing we're gonna have to do is demo this big mirror. And then we're gonna have to open up this back side of this wall and see what kind of studs we're working with and all that. So we're gonna be starting with demo, and then we'll see how far we can get.
Check it out, guys, this big opening, all this sunlight coming in. It's looking real good in here, nice and open. There's gonna be a quartz countertop here and here at the same level. Jared and I were able to drop this down so it matches. Nothing was load bearing, so we were able to open it up. We had to keep this the way it is for the electric and the plumbing. Major change in here was basically just opening it up, dropping the outlets, evening them out, and then dropping these switches down.
Yeah, we snuck those switches in right there.
We were able to take these doors out, also this door, and make this corner flush. It used to come out about 2 inches here, another 2 inches here, so we were able to make these two flush. But yeah, the doorway did only come to 8
Yeah, it feels a lot more open now. It feels really good.
A lot more sunlight coming in. And then our next order of business is framing this closet out. The homeowner is gonna be building a closet right here. It's gonna be coming out even with this wall right here, about 2 feet. So our next order of business is to frame that out. So we're gonna show you that now.
So we got everything framed up and every piece of drywall's up, so we're gonna wait for our drywall finisher to come and finish all this, and then we'll come back and probably paint and finish the rest of this job off. So catch you guys then. So we just got this job all wrapped up. It's all opened up now and looks really good. The homeowner is deciding to hold off on this piece of glass for now. He's gonna do glass or some sort of shutters, but he's gonna decide that in the future. We got all the painting done and the backsplash all wrapped up. Everything's looking nice and tight and clean. Got our receptacles evened out and our matching piece of quartz to match the old quartz here. Even put a small piece here, so everything looks really nice. It was a challenge getting this all opened up, but removing this door and opening up this wall right here and taking this door out, everything is nice and open now, looking out to this pretty cool view here. Another thing we added for the homeowner was this closet right here with these huge doors and a built-in little closet system for them. These doors are super nice and match the rest of the trim in the house. We still gotta put the handles on, but we'll get to that. So that's pretty much gonna be a wrap for this video. This space is a lot better now opened up. The homeowner had a really good idea with this one and we made it happen for him. Feel free to like and subscribe and stay tuned for our new videos coming out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.